Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add animations or video transitions to text and other objects like stickers. But for this one I'm just going to show you using the text. So I'm just going to add in the default text right here. I'm just going to leave the text like this, but you can edit that. I'm also going to change the font as well. Then once you are done, you are just going to right click on the text and you're going to select create compound clip. Actually, I'm just going to have two actually, so I can show you like the video transition part. So right click create compound clip on both, and then on the one you want to add animation, just select it, go to animation, and here's where you can add in video animations to your clip. I don't know why it's not loading currently, but it loads, I promise you that. But it's just not loading that well. If I just go to video transitions here, as you can see, it got loaded, but I'm not sure if you can add it to just like a basic text, but you can basically add it on to your video like so, like that, as you can see, and you can select which one you want to add. But again, you can add in the animation if you'd like to. You can also adjust the duration of the video transition, but you're just going to basically make it into compound clip first. Sorry. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!